Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to send an Instagram highlight link directly from your PC using the latest update. If you want to share your favorite moments with friends or groups, this method is quick, easy, and doesn't require any extra tools. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access to all your features. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Instagram icon to open the main menu. From here, navigate to the profile that contains the highlight you want to share. You can do this by searching for the username or selecting it from your feed. When you reach the profile, take a look just below their bio. This is where you'll find their highlights, displayed as circular icons. Find the specific highlight you want to send and click on it to open the story. With the highlight open, move your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a unique link that points directly to the highlight you're viewing. Click once on the address bar to highlight the entire link. Next, right-click on the highlighted link and choose Copy from the menu. Now the link is saved to your clipboard, ready to be shared. Now, go back to the left side menu and click on the messenger icon. This will open your Instagram messages. Choose the chat where you want to send the highlight link, whether it's a friend, a group, or even yourself for later reference. In the chat window, right-click in the message box and select Paste to drop the link you copied earlier. Hit Send, and just like that, your chosen Instagram highlight is shared. With these simple steps, you can easily share any highlight from Instagram on your PC, making it effortless to keep your friends updated on your favorite moments. Give it a try and enjoy the new streamlined sharing experience.